Okay. What's up, my people? I'm your girl, Scovia. Thank you. Welcome to Scovia Edith YouTube channel. This is where we cook food, amazing food, palatable food that has flavor. Poleni sana. Kwa new subscribers, kindly welcome. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you are informed. For the old subscribers, welcome back again. Remember to like the video, share and comment. Thank you so much for the far we've reached. I truly appreciate. So today I'm going to take you through preparing, guess what? Preparing potatoes, like saute potatoes. I'm going to start with you from the beginning, where we boil the potatoes until where we shall saute the potatoes. The potatoes I'm talking about are the kienyeji potatoes. So most of you, I know you don't know the kienyeji potatoes. We call them sweet potatoes. Let me show you. These are the sweet potatoes, I think. Hope you can see. Isn't the sweet potatoes? So I've nimechonga. I've removed the peel because you cannot saute them like this. Then cut them into smaller pieces. Here. Okay. Then after cutting them into smaller pieces, I'm going to boil them. We're going to boil them using only 2 ingredients. 3. That is water, the potatoes itself, and salt. And then sauteing, we are going to use fat and onions and a bit of flavoring. Flavoring, what I mean by flavoring are the spices, which I'm going to put masala in my potatoes. So I'm going to use masala to saute onions, the potatoes, and fat. Because already naenda kuweka, I'm going to put salt while boiling. Unaelewa? So zitaiva zikiwa na hiyo chumvi taste like. So I want to take you through the process. Welcome. This is my clean sufuria, a jug of water, my salt right here. Okay. And we are going to do this. Welcome. Ignite the gas. Okay, let's not ignite first. Let's wash the, remove the, not wash because I already washed them, remove them from this water like this. Put them inside there, like that. Here are my potatoes, as you can see. Then the next step is add salt. We are going to add salt, enough for taste. Then after adding salt, we shall add some water, not all of it, but just enough to boil it. Remember, it's not supposed to be mushy. Okay, as you can see, I've added some water. Hope you can see. Then weka kwenye gesi, no. Okay, weka kwenye gesi, ignite your gas. Sorry, ignite your gas like that. Then look for a lid. This is my lid. Funikia. Give it 10, prepare 10 to 15 minutes. They shall be ready because this is gas, but if it was jiko, 20 minutes the maximum. Okay, see you when the potatoes are boiled. Welcome back. The potatoes are already boiled, as you can see. They are already boiled. Okay, so this other process is just a quick one. We are just going to fry the onion and then add mixed spice, and we are going to fry using oil. So let's cut this one. Tuikate tu hapo kwa sufuria mbili mbili. You can cut it hivi venye nakata, ama unaweza tumia chopping board, but this way you have to be a bit keen so that you don't cut yourself. Sawa wadau? Sawa. And then you have also to protect your eyes because I don't know inakwanga nini. Kitungus, the onions are always an enemy to the eye. So you can put your face far away from where you're cutting, but make sure the knife does not reach the skin. Okay, I think we are done. We are done with the cutting process. And as you can see, ndo hizi nimezikata. Now I'm going to fry the onions. It's quite translucent, and then add the potatoes, and then add the mixed rice. Okay, like that. No heat because the potatoes are already cooked. Just enough to saute the potatoes. Let's give the onions some time to cook. But meanwhile, remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Yeah, that's the way we do this. We do it. Okay. Thank you for tuning in here. I'm your beloved scovia. Okay, now we're waiting for the vitungus to become translucent. Zikishakuwa translucent, we'll add the potatoes. For them to become translucent, it takes like, to the maximum, 1 minute 30 seconds. And then vinakuwa translucent. Vinakuwa translucent. Vinakuwa translucent. No. I like playing a lot. Sorry. Usiniambie dera bila sijui nini. Yeah, we are cooking, and we are cooking using dera. Yeah. That's what we are doing here. Okay. It is almost translucent. I want to bring you closer so that you can see what's transpiring in my sufuria. Come. And that is my sufuria. Hope you can see. Hope you are able to see my sufuria. You are able to see my sufuria. The kitungu zimeanza kuwa translucent. Okay, go back to your Sorry for playing too much. Let's continue. The onions zimekuwa translucent. Zimeleta utamu. Kile kautamu kake. Kautamu. So, now that the onions zimeivana vizuri, I'm going to add my my tomatoes. Sorry, potatoes. Tomatoes what? Potatoes. Cooked potatoes. Okay, let me add them. They don't have water. That is one thing you should know. Hazina maji. Nilidrain maji yote. Nilifanya kudrain maji yote. Okay, like that. Like that. And then use a flat spoon like this. Put that. Usizibonde. Let me show you how flat the spoon is. Evil. so that this is the bond. And then you add secret ingredient like that. Just a small. Nasikia kama zimeanza kushika, zinashika shika. I'm going to bring you closer so that you see uzuri wa hii mwiko. Haibond hivi mawade zangu, haijazibond. Okay, hope you can see. They're still in their preparation. Hazijabondeka sawa. See. Yeah, hazijabondeka. So thank you. Sorry. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, and commenting. Our sauted potatoes are cooked. Okay? Now I'm going to share with you a clip on how they taste and how they look on pleasantly. Let me just use this thing that I used the other time and show you how they taste. Let me bring you closer. Thank you for watching. Remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe. My sauteed potatoes. Okay, bye, adios. They are yummy.